we're gonna eat a quarter of quarter of an onion each. Mine's broken, but yeah. Oh, still a quarter, promise. And then we're gonna do a vinegar shot. See? And yeah. Here goes. There's a nice on that.
I like raw onion.
Oh, it's disgusting. I just spat on my phone. Oh, it burns. Oh, it burns. It burns.
It's an onion, woman.
I didn't know it burned.
Oh. Oh.
My eyes.
Oh, shit. I can't do it.
I'm finishing it. I feel like I'm on Celebrity Jungle. It's well spicy.
Oh.
Okay. Gotta eat the rest.
Oh, I can't do it.
I'm doing it, okay? Oh, that's too much.
I like onion. But red raw onion's the best. Oh, Seth.
I'm chucking that.
Why? Why did you chuck it?
Because it had a piece on it.
Is that done? It's onion.
It burns.
I know. It didn't burn me, I just felt like vomit. They're gonna look at you and think, it's a fucking onion. What else have you got? Your vinegar shot to come.
And they're gonna drink it.
I was gonna have that. So that's done. You completed it.
I did it. Never again. Don't do it.